YouTube, we back with another video. It's been a couple days since we worked on the car. Let me go ahead and update y'all on this car. So as you can see, we got the whole front end off. We really didn't touch the car since the last video. I finally got done working on my customer car, so now I got some time to work on this. But as you can see, I do need a new pulley. I need a new tensioner. I may need a new alternator. This looks a little bent. I don't know if y'all can tell. It's like kind of like this. I do need a new belt. I don't know if I need a new throttle body, as you can see, because this is just the cover. You could probably just swap the cover out, but that motherboard is cracked. I don't know if that matters. But I did pick up a few things. I picked up a fender for both sides. I got a transmission, but it doesn't have a pan. So if anybody has a pan, shoot me a message on Instagram. I did pick up a front bumper. Unfortunately, it is not the same color. I don't know if y'all can tell, but two different shades of gray. You know how gray it is. You can tell the difference. But yeah, they painted this, and I thought this would match, so I would have just got this front end, but it's all good. But today I'm gonna see if I could get her started, because as you can see in the last video, the car did not start. I think the car thinks the car is still in drive from when he crashed. So that's that. I did pick up a little dash. I don't know if I'm gonna put this in this car or what, because this is the dash it had. As you can see, it's like a rubberish thing. And me putting a leather dash doesn't add value to the car. As some of you know, I don't keep any cars. I build them and sell them. I did pick up an airbag. I do need this one airbag if anybody has it. I need this airbag if anybody has it. I possibly need a new clock spring. But as far as the back, everything is good over here. Oh, and I did grab headlights also, but unfortunately this car does not have HID headlights, and I accidentally bought ones with HID. So if anybody needs looking for some, feel free to shoot me a DM. But yeah, let's see if we can get this car started today. I do got this Hellcat hood, OEM. I was gonna throw it on the car, but I don't know yet, because I really want a red eye hood, and I'm actually on my way to go pick it up. But I do have a customer who is also looking for a red eye hood, so I don't know if I'm gonna give it to him or keep it for my personal car. This is what I'm currently doing for my other customer car. He has a red eye hood. I'm about to actually take this wrap off and rewrap it, but I'm gonna take a pause on this so I could go pick up another one. If you ever need parts or whatnot, let me know. I can get anything I need. I'll take a break on that. Ooh, it's hot as hell. Question for y'all. Well, before I get to the question, I gotta run to the bank and I'm gonna get some bread, and then I'm gonna go get the hood. But I got a question for y'all. So as y'all can see, the car is gray. Let me know down below if I should just leave it gray, or should I try to get the original paint code, or I might just wrap it the color of the Durango. I don't know yet. But let me know down below what should I do, and I'll see. If I do wrap the car a different color in general, I might listen to the comments, so let me know what color I should wrap it. Just grab the money. Let's go ahead and go pick up this hood. I got a 20-minute drive there and a 20-minute drive back. So I'll see y'all once I pick up the hood. Like that, we back. As you can see, I got the hood in the back. I'm on my way back home. I'll see y'all when I get there. So that's what we doing. We about to hold the motor. And then we about to drop the trans and the front subframe, because this has to get replaced. So let's go ahead and drop this trans. I'm gonna put you on a little quick time lapse. I'll see y'all when the trans is out. Keep going? Keep going?
A little bit more. Right there.
You want a jack pull?
Are these lines out or not? Did these lines get bent?
I don't know if they got bent, but they not on the radiator.
Did they bent?
Yeah.
They bent right here, right?
Yeah. Oh, right here.
They got bent upwards.
Yeah.
You gotta straighten them back out because when I pull the tray out, it's gonna come straight out with it.
All right. Well,
Alrighty.
what do you want me to do right now?
Just grab me a hammer if you want to.
All right. Okay.
Told he getting active. LeBron don't pack shit up. I push the gas on high speeds and ain't no giving up. My homie hit his brother, hey, you think I give a fuck? Shit with this fully, we gon' hop out like the dream team. But don't hop out chasing nigga. Around my way, should we?
Y'all think this tire is still good, or y'all think this tire is done? The rim is just done.
Some handles.
Well, trans is out. Well, on the ground, now out on the ground.
I hope you put the
New
bumper on.
trans.
The fucking.
There's no pins. I still gotta get the pin, but we just putting this on just so we can see if the car starts. No torque converter neither. Look at this bolt. To the transmission. Joyo. Probably going to either wrap it up today or I'll see y'all tomorrow. We didn't put the trans in, as you can see. We did take it out, but our mechanic said we should wait until we get the pin so we don't mess nothing up. But if anything, I'll see y'all in the next video or I'll see y'all tomorrow. Yo, so as you can see, it's the next morning. I did put this in the same video, but give y'all a little update. So trans is out. We're not going to drop the motor. Front subframe is probably going to be dropped by today. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what I grabbed last night off camera. I grabbed the whole complete radiator assembly. I grabbed the crash bar. And what I also found out yesterday was I need a new dry shaft because, yeah, bearings came out. I don't know if y'all can see it from here. Probably not, but I do need a new drive shaft. I was gonna try to see if I could get it running today, but I did place an order for a transmission fan because AutoZone wants $250 for one, and eBay wants like $70 for one. So I placed the order for that. So as soon as I get here, we'll be throwing the transmission in. I may or may not be changing this dash by today. If I can't find anybody that wants this leather dash, I'm gonna throw it in. But I am still trying to look for this airbag. And I still need interior, so anybody has interior, shoot me a DM. If you want the high for black interior, don't shoot me a DM. If you got red interior, I will pay what you want, let me know. But let's go ahead and get started with this video. I'm gonna see what I can do to the car for the rest of the meantime. But yeah, let's get to the video. Y'all check this out. So I just picked up a few more parts. Got me a drive shaft. This drive shaft only has like, I think 10,000 miles. I did order new headlights, but I picked these up. So if the car ended up being done before the new headlights come, I'm gonna use these, and then when the new ones come, I'll sell them, or I'll just probably sell these ones and wait for the new ones. But new drive shaft, so I ain't gotta try to fix the old one. As you can see, the balls, no diddy. But yeah, still waiting on a pan. Y'all, so quick little update. I don't know if I updated y'all on this yet, but on the parts, I'll update you on the parts real quick. So guess what came in? Yeah, y'all see that transmission pan? That's finally here. So now I can go ahead and put it on the transmission, get the transmission in, see if the car starts. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what I also grabbed. I also grabbed some headlights. I'm not sure if I mentioned that yet already. I'm actually about to go pick up some interior as well. So as you can see, look at this. And I no longer have the leather dash. So now I'm trying to find a basic dash to put back in here. If anybody has it, DM me. But as far as parts, I would say I got almost 80% of everything. Oh, I also got the subframe. Let me go ahead and show y'all that real quick. I got the subframe. I bought a new rack and pinion just in case. I bought some arms. Look at that. I got the arms, rack, and front subframe. So with that being said, I got almost everything. I also do need a wide body wheel. If somebody has one for me, let me know. I just need just one. What do y'all think? I should get a new set of wheels. I was also thinking red eye wheels, but let me know down below what should I get. But I'll see y'all tomorrow, because once I pick up the seats, well, I'll pick y'all up when I get the seats so I can show y'all. It's nothing crazy, some simple seats. And then I'll end the video. Well, I'll end that part there. Tomorrow we're gonna install the transmission, and hopefully she starts. Because if she starts, I'm gonna start putting it together right away. Except for this part, because I gotta send this out to get fixed. But I'll catch you on a little bit. We are back. Just picked up the interior. Let me go ahead and show you the interior. There's some simple interior, nothing too crazy. Some simple cloth black ones. I still need door panels if anybody got some, but I want to show y'all this real quick. This is why I should have kept these, but me being impatient, I sold the rear seats. I already have these seats, that's what's crazy. But since I sold the rear and nobody was willing to sell me just the rear, I had to grab a whole set. Check this out. Can you see that? I already had them. I had the suede back ones. These leather ones I deployed. I should have just kept the other rear I had, but it's all good. So now that we got the seats, last thing to get is some seat belts, and that should be about 80% of all the parts that I need for the car. So fingers crossed we can have this car started tomorrow and on the road by tomorrow. I still need to get the frame pulled. So with that being said, I'll keep you updated on the car. I'll catch you on the next video.
LeBron them pack shit up. I push the gas on high speeds and ain't no giving up. My homie here, this brother, hey, you think I give a fuck? Shit with this fully, we gon' hop out like the dream team. But don't hop out chasing nigga. Around my way, shit, we was taught to never play with niggas. Shit,